back to my channel. I wanted to do, I don't know if anyone's done it, I didn't Google it or anything, but I wanted to do a video on how to use an Instyler straightener. If you don't know what that is, let me show you. Ta-da! I have two because one has a smaller barrel and this one's a little bigger, so this gives you more of a loose curl. This has more of a tight curl. You'll see it throughout the video. I use both of them. It was my first time using both at the same time. I kind of wanted to see the results, and I really don't care on having perfect hair. All I really care about when I do my hair is the volume. So as long as it has volume, that's all I really care for. I take it on trips. I always get asked, oh my gosh, how do you use it? It looks complicated. It really isn't. So I thought, you know, why not and make a video on it. I've been using an Instyler since high school, and I've never gone back. I really like it. I've never gone back with the Instyler. The way I tell people, it gives you volume. I mean, I'm not all for like really curly hair. I just kind of like to have loose curls. If you see here, it's just a very basic like hair look. This retails for $70. Not too bad. They also carry different colors, as well as they do different things. This one's just a straight, they call it a straightener, but it's like a straightener curler. The barrel rotates when it's on your hair. They have another one where if your hair is semi-wet, it'll straighten it and dry it at the same time. I've never tried it, but I'm sure it's good. And then of course, this is just for a tighter curl. So really, really cool. And then just a little background on it. I started using it back in high school. I'm pretty sure it was 10th grade. I have very curly hair, and back then it was all about the flat iron, having straight hair, until it broke, and I had no choice but to use something else. And yeah, I got accustomed to this. This is all I ever use. I take it everywhere. I even have a backup one. I have one that stays here at the house, and then I have my older one, which that's for travel, because I always get scared, what about if I lose it and I don't have it? I rather you have a little backup one. So I've had that one for now 6 years or so, but I like these. They're my favorite. So thanks. All right, so let's get started. I just showered and I fully dried my hair. I have natural curly hair.
Because I started blow drying it, the curls kind of fell off. But if you see, well, I can't really see, but I mean, over the years, after straightening it so many times, curls do tend to fall off. But yes, fully dried hair, and let's get started.
And if you were wondering, I call this my little nipple. I always, they're bangs. I always do those at the end. I separate them from the rest of the hair. So. So I only go through it twice, one to remove the frizz, and then the second one, depending on how you want your hair curled, once you start turning this straightener, that's gonna show you where you want the curl. So let me show you again. So I'm gonna go over it once. And then I kind of like loose curls, so I'm gonna start by turning it right in the middle, and then you have a handle here to press down on it, and then you just take it all around, and you should get something like this. So just like a very loose curl. different off here. I'm gonna go ahead and just alternate. It's not as of a curl, but it still gives you more of like a wave. Let me tell you a secret. I've been secretly banging your homeboy while you in Vegas. I need you, I need you, I need you. Oh, just get a load of them, they got chemistry. All they could say, we like brothers. It's so good to know for real. That's why I stayed with your the dick was too good to make me feel good for temporary love. You were just temporary love. You gotta be gentle with your hair. I just wanna find an empty road. Let's get away from here. Let's go. Okay, so this is my first time ever using both of them at the same time. I figured, why not? I'm not a perfectionist. I don't care as long as I have some volume in it. That's all I care about. So let's see. So after I do this, I kind of just shake it up a bit. Kind of just run your fingers through it like this. So look at that volume I get. I know I still have to kind of, and don't worry, I didn't forget about the nipple. I still have to go ahead and finish it off. So let me just kind of fix it to how I like it. So kind of just, and if I have to go back in, I'll go back in. But as long as it's straight with volume, that's all I care about. So this is it. Okay, so now that I'm done with that step, I always, see, I like that. I think what gives it more of like a final look is when I blow dry my bangs. So I just get a clip, I do that. So then this is still wet, it's not dry at all. Ooh. So I kind of just brush it out a little bit. Yeah. Then I get my big comb, got it at Sephora, and I just blow dry it. Same goes for the bangs. I like volume, so I just try to make it as big as possible because it's gonna fall down anyways. And that's it. So then, obviously, this is not it. I have to kind of fix it a bit. But if you see, I love that. I love the volume it gets. And then I just kind of shake it up a bit. Shake it up. Let down the rest of it. Shake it. And pretty much it. This is my everyday hairstyle. And I just have to fix it, of course. Kind of have to do it your way. And that's it. So hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. And I can't wait until next time. Come here, Mapes. Come here, baby. Come. Come say hi. Come say hi to the people. Come. Say hi to the people. Look it. Say hi. Oh, she's so cute, my little baby. My little baby, you're so cute. Why you gotta... Mapes, say hi. Say so hi. Much. You're the cutest little doggy. You're cutest. And I love you so much. Girl, I think you might need that straightener. Look at this hair. Let me see. That'd be cool, huh? Maybe I should come up with that. A little dog straightener that doesn't do any damaging. Because you're so fluffy and I love you. And you're so cute. Cutie baby.